Let me unzoom so you can see what's happening. So then I'm going to hit the left arrow because that will get me to the prob so much quicker. And then you notice at number 4, there's your factorial. And then hit enter and boom, there's your answer. Okay? So again, if you just want to get to the factorial, you type in the number first, then you hit math, then you hit your left arrow so you can get to your probability section. I know it's PRB, did a little extra, I don't know why. And then you hit number 4. And then once you hit enter, you'll get to your factorial so much quicker. So instead of just doing 8, but if you don't have it, this is what you have to do. If there's an 8 factorial, you have to do 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, so that's how you do your factorials. All right, let me take this away for a second. Screenshot if you got to. Now, a negative 30, that means one of my numbers have to be negative. That's going to give me a negative 1. So basically, I'm looking at subtracting these numbers. So if I subtract these groups, which one is going to give me a 1 for an answer? Well, 30 minus 1, that's going to give me 29, right? 15 minus 2, that's going to give me, yeah, you get the idea. So it's got to be 6 and 5. So 6 minus 5 will give me 1. But we're looking for a negative 1. So we know that the answer is going to be 6 and 5. But now we have to decide which one is going to get the negative. So if I give it to the 5, it's going to give me a positive 1. But we're looking for a negative 1. So we have to give the negative to the 6. So if you want to write a minus 6 and then a plus 5, you can do that. If you want to say a plus 5 and then a minus 6, you can do that as well. Okay. Where did the x by the 6 go? Oh, okay. Well, let me show you. If you want to check it, this is one way you can do it. You can multiply the inside and you can multiply the outsides. 4 times x gives me 4x. X times 2 gives me 2x. If I add these two bad boys together, it will give me the 6x, which is the same as right